I just, oh my god, don't drop it. Surely I have an adapter. Alright guys, look what arrived. Carry-on vacuum packing plan. Hopefully this works. So this is the bag. Ow. This is the carry-on bag that we're going to try vacuum pack. We need to get at least 45 kg out of the case and into that little bag. And then this is like my handbag. This is the current situation of the case. I got this for like €20 on Amazon. I hope it works because I need it to work. Okay, so we have like a manual pump. And then we have like a plug-in pump. These are the little clips. And these are the different bags. I mean, I feel like two of these would be perfect. That size, this size, this one, which is the biggest out of all of them. So there are 3 different sizes, but I actually thought there was going to be far smaller ones than this because the reviews, people were mad. Like people were saying that the bags were tiny, and I'm not seeing tiny. Like oh my god, don't drop it. No. Surely I have an adapter. How did I not read this? Worst comes to the worst. We have the manual one. How did I actually get this so wrong? So I'm not even joking when I say this, but my mom has just said to stick a spoon into the socket. I may die. You know what? Before I go and fully electrocute myself, I am going to try the manual one first. I literally know so many people over there at this stage that I could get drafted into literally any social scenario. So I just need to have clothes for whatever. Ended up going to nightclubs and all sorts. So I was in like 3/4 like jorts that are red, and then like a red sports bra, and I was like, this is the best I got. This is the best I have for the club. So I'm bringing myself options this time because we're gonna try the manual pump. We'll then move on to electrocuting ourselves. Okay, so this seems to like twist on. Oh my god! It's actually working so well. Look at that. Actually so impressed by that. This has done the job. Okay, maybe I won't die today. Genius. I actually have to give credit where credit is due to this brainchild of an idea, and it was by a commenter named Faye. She's the one who commented and said, vacuum pack that shit. Get yourself as much space as possible. So Faye, I thank you for your suggestion. I almost nearly died for your suggestion.
So yes, I actually did have to give this a go to make sure it worked. And I did use a spoon, so it'll definitely be coming with me in the case. Episode 3 tomorrow will be all about my appointments, so make sure you tune in, and I will see you then. Hope you enjoy.